Hey folks, how you doing today? So recently I picked up this piece of advertising from a collector friend of mine. I'm always looking for the Western and cigar, liquor, tobacco advertising. And this is a Cromeo lithograph advertising on paper. I believe this is right around the turn of the century. This is a super attractive ad. So when I got it, I sent it out to my professional framer and had him frame it. We picked what I think was a really appropriate frame for the colors, as well as we did it in a suede matting. So this is suede, beautiful gold. This is just this is kind of the epitome of a nice cigar advertisement. It's beautiful, framed up correctly, turn of the century, Cromeo lithograph. Just a super nice piece of advertising. So for you guys that are building them speakeasies, etc., this could be for you. Anyway, just a great piece of advertising. So if you want it, we'll get it boxed up real nice and neatsy tidy for you and get it out. Great piece.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.